Seeing the error, your internet security settings prevented one or more files from being opened in Windows? In this video, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. Let's get started. Open Windows Security on your computer. Go to Virus and Threat Protection tab. Click on the Protection History option. Choose an app that you want to allow. Click on the Yes button in UAC prompt. Click on the Actions button. Choose Allow on Device option. Click the Yes button. Open Windows Security. Then go to App and Browser Control. To turn it off for apps, under Reputation-Based Protection, you will see three options. Check Apps and Files. SmartScreen for Microsoft Edge SmartScreen for Microsoft Store apps. You can toggle the switches to the off positions as required. Check if the issue is resolved. Press the Windows key, plus R to open the Run box. Type inatcpl.cpl and hit Enter to open Internet Properties. Switch to Security tab. Click on the Custom Level button. In the Security Settings Internet Zone panel that opens, scroll down to the Miscellaneous section. Set the radio button for the launching applications and unsafe files, setting to Prompt, Recommended, Option. Click OK and apply to save changes. Finally, click OK to exit Internet Properties and check if the issue is resolved. Search for Internet Options and open it. Click on the Advanced tab, Locate, and click on the Restore Advanced Settings button. Next, go to the Security tab and click on Reset All Zones to Default Level button. Click on Apply, and then OK to save the settings.